Hi guys, I just want to jump on here and talk about this product that I have. It is going to be a light socket fan. These are all the rage right now. The way I see it is, if you do not have the time or the space, if you don't have the space for a huge fan and you don't have the ability to install one because you're living in an apartment or something of the effects, you will be able to buy one of these socket fans. So as you can see here, it does fit any regular E26 socket, and here are 5 of the fan blades. It's not very big, but just because it isn't very big doesn't mean it's not mighty. We are going to put these up, so the ribbed part is going to be facing up, and once you do so, you'll see it'll click into place. And I do have all 5 fins installed. This does have an LED light and a remote control that does come with it. There is a 2-hour, a 4-hour, and then a nighttime light as well. So you can control the flash, the light, and the fan, dim or make it brighter, as well as the speed of the fan. So now that I have the fins on there, we will go ahead and install this and see how fast this goes. And I'll show you how bright and dim the light can go as well. So with this light socket fan, we do have a remote control, and it does take 2 AAA batteries that are not included. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in here now, and we will get this fan installed. And as you can see, here we have the fan, the socket. All we're gonna do is make sure this gets screwed in there all the way. There it is as far as the fan goes. We'll go ahead and turn the light on. With this fan, you do have the remote that has a 2-hour timer and a 4-hour timer. There's also a night light button. And there's a dimming function. You can dim the light, make it more bright. And with that as well, you can turn the fan off. All in all, this product helps keep the air moving in my house. The 3-speed wind functions at 3 different speeds. I will go ahead and share that right now. So I'll turn the fan off, and here we go. There's 1, 2, and 3. So if you're in need of a socket light or a socket fan, this fan light will be the one for you. This fan is the quietest fan I've ever had, and it also helps save energy. With its E27 base, we can plug it into any regular socket. So on these fan blades, they do say this side up. That way you do not confuse putting this on the wrong way.